Hello everyone, we said in the last video, ChatGPT for automated analysis, the principle of operating robots. Lots of private messages. Ask me where I can download this robot. In this video, we will evaluate this robot. Before the test, let's see how this robot operates. We came to the website of CoinMarketCap. We can see there are many new token launches every day. 2% to 5% daily fluctuations compared to BTC. Obviously, the newly launched token fluctuates a lot. And there will be many more opportunities. Let's see. In fact, a lot of tokens are online in one day. Oh, there are 21 tokens here. Just add up a few chains, but we only look at the Ether chain. Because our analysis shows that the quality of token of Ethereum chain is better. You will see these newly launched tokens of Ethereum. Its fluctuations are basically in the tens of percent. That's double digits. Some may go down a lot. But there will also be some rises that are quite severe. The most important factor affecting price is topicality. If a token is hot, and its topics are mostly positive, usually, as soon as this token goes live, it skyrockets. On the contrary, if this token topic, usually negative words, it usually plummets as soon as it goes online. So, topicality, it is one of the main reasons that affect token. But how do we use this topic? How to quantify whether this topic is good or bad? And you see so many comments in the community. So much news. Then how are you going to get all the news? And their messages combined. To do an analysis, at this time, we will rely on ChatGPT. So let's take a look. How does our robot work? This is our robots, a complete workflow diagram. Let's take a look at our robot first. It starts with data collection. When we first started running, it will go to CoinMarketCap to collect the latest token list. And then our robots will crawl the news of every token represented by token. Community topics. If it has been launched a new token, it will have a historical price. We'll also climb down the historical price point. Next step. Just take the data we just got down. Process. Clean up useless data, leaving behind useful high-quality data that can be used. Then proceed to the next step of sentiment analysis and technical analysis. Finally, the comprehensive analysis obtained a little token score. Afterwards, we will generate trading strategies based on the ratings and the management of our positions. The last real deal is made. During the transaction, our robots will also monitor the data in real time. If new data comes in, our robot will reanalyze this data, eventually adjust this strategy. Is the position squaring or adding or reducing? So this is a diagram of our robot. Then let's not talk too much nonsense to deploy this robot. So we come to Remix. We click Set, Next, Next, Done. Okay, then we open the file corner. GPT saw. So this is the code for the robot that we're going to deploy. We copy. Paste. OK. Then on the far left we connect the third button. We choose our compiler. Our compiler chooses the same as the compiler for our contract is the same. We choose first 050 this compiler. Then we click Compile. we see this little green tick. It means the compilation has been completed. Then we click the fourth button on the far left. Deploy button. We choose our object context. We choose MetaMask here. OK. If you connect for the first time, this will pop up. Ask MetaMask to authorize to connect. Then you can see the connection here. Then there is the network that chooses Ethereum here. OK, if you connect correctly, it will show your address and your balance. We have 1.1 squares of Ethereum in this wallet. OK, let's move on. We click the little arrow next to deploy. It pops up in 3 places. We're going to enter some parameters into it. First position, we use Ethereum to buy and sell. So we enter S. The second location is our server. GPT Train Server API. There is also a key in the GPT API. We will use the trial version of the API and key. Our trial version offers to free users. It can run for 24 hours per use. OK, then we'll paste both the API and key on it. Pay attention to this API and key. Don't leave any spaces in it. OK, let's click the Trade button next. OK, so MetaMask pops up. We can deploy this contract for a little gas. It's little arrow. We deployed the contract successfully, and here comes the contract that we just deployed. The first step is to click the small arrow next to the contract. We see 3 buttons. The first button is to run the contract. The second button is to get the list of token. New token list. The third is to look at our remaining usage times. We click the copy button next to the contract. Then the contract address we just deployed, copy it. One more step inside Thomas. Put the principal we want to run the robot. Send it to this robot. Click Send. Paste the address. We are running 1 Ethereum this time. Attention everyone. For example, leave some Ethereum in the wallet as a handling fee. We click Next. Confirm. Wait until it is sent to this contract. After sending it to the contract, you will see that this contract has 1 Ethereum. We recommend running this robot at least 0.5 Ethereum to run the robot. Of course, the more principal you have, the more profit you will make. OK, let's click on the new token list next. After clicking this button, it will go to CoinMarketCap, get the latest token list. OK, click this to see our remaining times. OK, so here's the last step. We click Action to run the robot. MetaMask will pop up. So we confirm. See the little green hook, meaning has successfully run the robot. Trial version. Every time it runs out and trades for 24 hours. And then 24 hours later, if there are still some orders that have not been position squaring, it will continue to persist until all positions are squaring. 1 transaction is completed. This is a one-time transaction. The official version does not have this restriction. OK, let's check it out tomorrow. What does this robot achieve? Dear friends, I'm back. After 26 hours, let's see the GPT Automated Trading Robot we ran yesterday. Is it back? We click on the Thomas wallet. Oh, it's back. Our wallet now has 1.69 Ethereum. We were 1.1 Ethereum yesterday, so we earned 0.59 Ethereum. If you want to continue running the previous contract, we can check it first. The number of contracts we can use now. There is another one to use now. Then we follow the previous steps. Copy the contract address. Then we send the Ethereum principal. This robot. Then we will click on this new token list. Come and get the latest token address. And then we're going to run the robot. That's it. So that's it for our video. What's the problem you don't understand or want to buy the official version? Welcome to contact me by Telegram. See you in the next video.